Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious chocolate bento cake. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need all-purpose flour, rich cocoa powder, granulated sugar, fresh eggs, and whole milk. Don't forget baking powder, baking soda, a pinch of salt, and pure vanilla extract for that perfect flavor. Also, have a small 6-inch cake pan ready, lined with parchment paper, and a sturdy mixing bowl. These are the foundational elements for our delightful treat. Now let's get mixing. In one bowl, thoroughly combine your dry ingredients: flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt. In another, whisk together the wet ingredients: eggs, sugar, milk, oil, and vanilla extract. Gradually add the dry mixture to the wet, stirring gently until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. Pour this lovely batter into your prepared 6-inch pan and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit until a toothpick comes out clean. Next up, the star of the show, our rich chocolate buttercream frosting. Start by softening unsalted butter to room temperature. This is key for a smooth base. Sift your powdered sugar to eliminate any lumps, ensuring a silky texture. Beat the butter until it's light and fluffy, then gradually incorporate the sifted powdered sugar and cocoa powder. Finish by adding a splash of milk or cream and a dash of vanilla extract until you achieve your desired creamy consistency. It's going to be delicious. Finally, it's time to assemble and decorate your beautiful bento cake. First, ensure your baked cake has cooled completely. Patience here prevents melting frosting. If needed, level your cake layers for a perfectly flat surface. Apply a thin crumb coat of frosting, then chill the cake for about 15 minutes to lock in any loose crumbs. Once set, apply your final layer of chocolate buttercream. Get creative with simple designs or add some colorful sprinkles for a truly personalized and delightful finish. Enjoy your masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.